Hey guys, it's me Vanessa. For my final project, I'm going to teach you guys a tap combo / dance as a tutorial. We are going to be doing an advanced / intermediate combo to give it a little challenge, you feel me? Let's talk about my dance background and everything. I used to play soccer, completely different, around 4 or 5 I started. And I started dance when I was 9, but my little sister, who is 4 years younger than me, actually inspired me to get into dance. So she started with tap and ballet when she was like 3 or 4, and she had her first recital. It just hit me. I went to her picture day and I saw everyone had their costumes on, their makeup, their hair was done, and I was like, wow, this is really interesting and so cute. Like, I want to try that. So I ditched soccer and I went into dance, my first dance class, which was in this studio actually. And it was really fun for me. I really enjoyed it, and after that, I've been dancing ever since. I currently don't take classes, I teach them. I teach 5, 7-year-olds to 13-year-olds to high schoolers. And it's really fun for me because I get to show my creativity of choreography and everything. I actually stopped taking classes and competing. I used to be a competitive dancer. I stopped that when I was a senior in high school, so that was 2 years ago. But now, I'm just teaching now. So tap is something that I chose to do for my final project because it's one of my favorite styles of dance. It's tap, hip-hop, and jazz, but tap is really interesting to me because you're literally making music with your feet. That's kind of dope if you ask me. For tap, you literally can take every single count of the music and chop it up even more. With that being said, let's get right into the tutorial. I take my right hand, I whip it back, go right and left, and you push down. Yeah, you hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, go 7, 8, 1, 2. So your heel goes down on 2. After that, your toe goes toe, heel. So in all together you go right, left, up, down, toe, heel. Then you have a toe, heel, heel, heels, toe. So this is 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and so you stop, and then you go toe, toe, heel, heel. On the floor it goes toe, toe, heel, heel. All together it goes 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, stop, and yeah? Let's try this. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, you said your step to the roll. You have 4 heels to the beat of the song. You have hit, 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 hit. So your arms are very thrashy, cute, whatever. So put them wherever you feel, dancer's choice. You just did step and roll. You have heel, heel, heel. Does that make sense? So all together we go back, back, up, toe, heel, toe, heel, heel, heel. We hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, left, right, left. Let's try the music. So we just did right, left. You have step, heel, step, and you look at the same time. So this is what it looks like. So it goes sa kyo kyo kyo. Sa kyo 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 kyo. Sa kyo kyo kyo. And you look at the same time as you. Right, left, right, go. It goes right into it. Let's try it with music. So as you can see, I'm actually out of breath a lot because I went for it. That's what I want you to go for. So thank you so much for joining me and dancing with me today. I had so much fun. I hope you did too. So thanks for watching.